Hey everyone, how's it going? So everyone's been talking about the new Super Mario Bros. Movie, and I can't wait to see it. So I thought I'd show you how to draw some characters from the new movie. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mario from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mario from the Super Mario Bros. Movie, let's begin by drawing the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make an oval shape for the nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to go down and in for the eye. And then same thing over here. I'm going to go up. It's going to come down and then in for the eye. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve around for the pupil. And then one right here for the pupil. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white at the top of each one. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve out on each side. And then I'm just going to make some little bumps right across here, just for the mustache. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up for the mouth. And then I'll draw a little line that comes across for the teeth. Then I'll just color in the rest of this. Starting here, I'm going to make two little lines that come across for the eyebrows. And then a little line up and down like this. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around and down. Then I'll make a little line that's going to go over and then in. Same thing, over and then in. Next, I'm going to curve a line out and in, and then same thing here. Curve this line out and then in. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down and up for the chin. I want to make a little line that's going to curve around here. And another one here, just to make the ears. Then I'll draw a little line that's going to curve up and down, and a little one right here that's going to go up and down. Starting here, I'm going to make lines going to come up, and then down for the hat. And then out here, I'm going to make lines going to come up. It's going to come to like a rounded point, it's going to come out and then back in. Right here, I'm going to make a big circle shape. And then we're just going to make a letter M inside of here. So we're just going to draw a little letter M. Next, I'm going to make a little V shape like this. And then I'm going to draw two little lines on each side. I'll make a line that's going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to curve it up and then in. We're going to go up and then in. I'm going to come down. I'm going to curve around and up. Same thing here. We're going to go down, curve around and up for the suspenders. Then we'll draw a little line across. I'll make a little line down on each side. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve around to here. Next, I'm going to put a little button on each side of the suspenders. And then we're going to make a pocket. Let's draw a line across. We're going to go down, over, and up with a little line across here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. And same thing here, I'm going to come out and in. We're going to bring this up and in. And same thing here, we're going to bring this up and in. And we're going to bring this right back into here. I'm going to bring this line down and put a little curve on here. And I'll bring this line down and put a little curve on here. And we'll connect it to here. And then we'll add another little line right here for the gloves. And I'll add a little line or two in here just to show where the knuckles are. Starting here, I'm going to draw 2 lines coming down. And then I'll make 2 more little lines coming down. Make a line across and a line across. I'll make a line that's going to come up and down, and we're going to bring it over for the shoe. Same thing here, I'm going to bring it up and down, and I'm going to bring it over here for the shoe. We'll draw a line across and a line across, and I'll make a line across here for the pants. And there you go, there is your drawing of Mario from the new Super Mario Brothers movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.